To charge the LiPo, all you need to do is plug it in and plug it into the wall or to your auto vehicle and then plug it in there like I showed you earlier. And then plug this right in like that. And once it is done charging, that light will turn solid. So very, very easy, nothing to it. Just need to locate those little pins. They're not exactly in the center. Plug it up, it will identify it and begin blinking. And when it's done blinking, it's charged. I don't recommend trying the first time flying without training gear if you have not done it before. Battery indicator or something?